going to be system test, I think 26, I think. I'm honestly not very sure. But I have done quite a bit of things I want to discuss in this video. One is I finally got a battery for the panel, which I will not be testing because I've tested it recently, so I'm not going to test it. I've also gotten a couple things done. Also, I don't know if I've shown this in the last video, but I did fix the I/O controller on the IRS 17000. I'm gonna repaint this. I don't know what I'm doing with this cardboard here, but nonetheless, I guess it's just got a little beauty panel. I got a for a power supply. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. That's a Dell Precision 670 stock power supply. That's quite a big power supply. I was actually using that, and the Nintendo power supply I had in here, but I started having power supply issues with that one, so I used that for some time. And that thing was actually a really big piece of crap, so I stopped using it because I noticed it was dropping in amps. So I started using this, and this is no doubt giving me any problems. So, and I've also got to use that because I have some extra alarms in the system. Let's go over what I did to the panel. First off, I have the alarms set on the non-silenceable NAC, and the reason I've been doing this is actually because I actually have a problem with the silent switch. It needs to be fixed, but nonetheless, it is working. The built-in fan isn't spinning for whatever reason, but I'll fix that later. I've got a really messy junction box, but I'll get to that in a second. So moving on into here, I still got the same pull station in here, and of course the GX11, I think. I will be replacing it with the Simplex T-bar. I have a friend that'll give me a new some T-bars, so I'm just holding off for that. And over here, I have an EST Integrity 75778HS, not hooked up. Reason why, it's a long story rather than I get into it. And I actually got some new devices from New Age Server Alarm. He actually gave me a good deal on some, being that we talk a lot now. So, I have the original Wheelock MIZ he had in that system test where he said it's mythical. Come on, autofocus, don't do this. Hold on a second, let me... There we go. That should... Oh, wow. Whatever reason... Are you serious? Alright, moving on, screw it. You know what an MIZ looks like. Anyhow, that's the same MIZ that had the quote being called mythical. So, I think that thing is honorary, or whatever. Upstairs I removed the pull station. Diabeto! Psycho thighs. My grandma's really fat and psychotic cat. In here, I've got a Wheelock MIZ set to code 3, low volume, and my cat, which is sleeping in grandma's room. What's up with this camera today? It doesn't want to focus. Hold on, let me try something here. Come on. What is up with this? My camera never does this. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Huh. Alright, whatever. Autofocus doesn't want to work today, so let's just get on with the video. And I don't have a push station in here. And in the garage, I've got the ADT sounder. Here's me with my camera. Got my hair cut, as you can kind of see. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, I just noticed something kind of cool. Unsex. So, that's me, my awesome 1990s camera. That's gonna be a bitch to decode. There's my cat. So let's quit the delaying here. This is gonna be more of a bell test. And I'm going to be getting some 4-wire i3 12-volt detectors. but we'll just have to wait. Also, I put in a enunciator, and I'll show you that as soon as I pull this. So here we go. Oh, I guess I do have it hooked up. What the heck? It stopped pulsing. Huh. That strobe's been acting weird, but it was working. I had to remove it. There's the enunciator, by the way. Looks weird on camera. Huh. And we'll go into the garage so you can see the AGT sounder. It's not wired right. Yeah, all's here. Sucks. Wow, that thing is quite loud actually. Holy crap. Shortest system test ever. She doesn't give a fuck. Hey, do you care? She don't care. Oh, where did Amy go? Oh well. You can see the cats don't really care. Alright, silence. You can only silence from the enunciator. Like I said, there was a problem with one of the necks. As you can see, zone 2 has been activated. And I'm just gonna hit. Oh, whoops. There we go. Silence. The acknowledge LED doesn't seem to be working. Oh well. Oh yeah, we can't really reset because whatever. This is probably one of the shortest system tests I've done in a very long time, but nonetheless, who cares? Alright, and now we can reset. Alright, there we go. And of course, I gotta go upstairs and flip the enunciator back to its normal operations. See ya.
Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing.